Solar power generation is currently gaining popularity in Japan, while green energy can be obtained by installing solar panels. However, due to various factors, the accumulation of dust causes cleaning costs and loss of power generation. LONGi HIMO X6 Max Guardian Anti-Dust Module is a revolutionary module that minimizes power generation loss. When installed vertically, rainwater and dust are not blocked by the frame. Dust will naturally slide off the frames. The result is higher power generation. Even when installed horizontally, dirt slides down smoothly along the edges. The LONGi Anti-Dust Module was installed horizontally for drainage effect on the roof of SHOZEN Corporation. Compared to normal modules, the anti-dust module generates 6.08% more power. In addition, it also has a snow sliding effect that produces a 30-fold difference in power generation. Patented frameless design. Regardless of the installation method, the module naturally washes away dust. LONGi HIMO X6 Max Guardian Anti-Dust Module.